You guys, I had to come on and share this moment with you because it has been rough on me these last few days. Like it's been a week, right? Beryl came last Wednesday. It's Wednesday again, so it's been 8 days. And I got up this morning and I said to myself, I am not spending another day in this house. It is too hot. I cannot do it. I almost cried last night. Because my neighbors had power, but I didn't. A few of us just didn't. I think it's because on our street the power line was down and they didn't turn it on for us. But I almost cried. Anyway, so I said, no way, I'm not doing it again. This house is an oven. I'm going to Rio Hotel. And you guys, for the last 20 minutes, I've been calling Rio and cannot get through to you. Rio in Ocho Rios. I don't know why. But while I was on the phone trying to call them, I think I called like 7 numbers, did not get through. Me hear one little commotion outside, people. I see when I go to my window and I peep out, guess who I saw? I saw the JPS electrician men, whatever they're called, up there fixing my I can't even word name. My power line, fixing my power line. And I ran out there like a mad woman. I said, sir, does this mean I will have power tonight? And the man said, yeah man. I said, please sir, what time? He said, ma'am, soon. And I was like, oh gosh, that didn't sound so hopeful. I'm telling you, it's been 10 minutes and my little red button, can you see that red button on my AC? Just clicked, people, it clicked. So I'm about to turn on my AC and I could not share this with any other persons but you guys who have been praying for. Oh, I thought I heard it go back out. Ooh. I want to share this with you guys. I'm about to turn on my AC and I have to share this with you guys. You see that? I have AC. People, I have AC. You guys. 8 days without AC. 7, 8 days without AC. Anyway, you guys, I'm about to go lock up my windows and lay it down in my AC. So, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you, Jesus. I'm outside right now, though, cooking. I'm about to fry some fish, and I don't want to stink up the house, so I'm going to cook on this cold stove, but I'm a country girl. I know how to do a cold stove. Piece of coal, them biggie. What is this piece of coal? Look how it's big. By the way, happy Sunday to you. It's Sunday evening. Let me see if that's enough. Yeah, I think that's enough. I think so. I'm gonna get like a broom now to see if we can start it. Guys, I just lit my fire. I'm just wanting it to catch. It don't look like it's gonna catch.
You're talking to me?
No, I'm talking to my fire. I want it to catch. Alright, you guys, so this is my second try to get this fire going. It didn't start. It started, but it outed out quick. So I went and got some more little dry brim. So we're gonna try again to get this fire going. All right, round 2. You guys, that's my neighbor's daughter. She's hanging out with me today. We're gonna do a little cooking on the fire. I don't want to get any dust in here. All right, I'll take that match. You can get up if you want. You don't have to sit there. So I wanted to show you guys my fish. I went to the fisherman village yesterday and right on the seaside and bought a bunch of fish. There's like some parrots in there. I think this fish is called grunt. Hey, pass me that fork right there. Yeah, I think this fish is called a grunt. I don't know for sure. It kind of looks like a snapper to me, but it's not a snapper. Anyway, I have this. Look at this beautiful. You guys, look at this beautiful parrot. Isn't it beautiful? You almost don't want to eat it. So pretty. I have a couple other parrots in here and then some other fish. I'm just going to fry these up, escabeche them, and roast my breadfruits. You guys, my fish are doing their thing. Trying to get the fire hot as I can get it. But yeah, that's my little fish. That's my fish doing their thing. There's my coal underneath. Ooh, pop. Are you being a silly rabbit over there?
No.
Guys, mosquito yam me up, but there's my fish. Okay, you guys, my breadfruit is all roasted and perfect timing because I run out of coal. Well, at least I don't want to put any more coal in there. I still have some coal left in the bag, but I don't want to use any more coal. So I'm going to let it cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to take it inside and peel it up and plate it up for a delicious dinner of roast breadfruit and escovitch fish. So you guys, I'm back in my kitchen now, just flinging on the last little finishing steps for my fish. I'm making the little you know, the sauce, the escovitch sauce. So yeah, then I'm about to peel my breadfruits and plate up my plates and just have a nice little dim dim. Alright you guys, so I'm just going to just layer some of this. I like my vegetables to still have a little crunchiness to them, so I'm going to just layer my sauce. There's my breadfruit there. I have to go peel it now, but I'm just going to just layer that, get some of the sauce to soak into the fish, and then put these on top. Those on top. And I'm just going to layer the remaining Okay, that looks really good. So I'm gonna let that just sit for a second, and I'm going to go and peel my breadfruit. You guys, the breadfruit is still hot, so I have to hold it with some paper, but it's not too hot. It's not too bad. I'm gonna go finish this up, you guys, and plate up my plate and then show you. There's my plate. Can you see that? My fish and my roast breadfruit. And I'm about to sit down, you guys, and enjoy this meal. I love the little pickled vegetables with the vinegar. But you know what I was thinking? I was thinking it's like a blessing to be able to think of something you want to eat and to literally go into your kitchen and make it, and then to sit down and enjoy your meal. You know what I mean? I think that's a blessing. It might be a small thing to some people, but I think that's a blessing. So I don't know, what else do you guys think is a blessing? Like, it's a Sunday evening and I'm about to eat my dinner and reflect, and I feel blessed. I feel encouraged. I've been wanting like fish and roast breadfruit for the longest time, and now I'm having it, and I'm gonna sit down and enjoy it. You guys, look at this. This is like a perfect bite right here. So I know it's on my hand, but still, can you see that? Roast breadfruit, fish, and vegetables. That's like the perfect bite. You guys, it's so good. And I'm not just saying that because I cooked it. Anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Electricity, that's also a blessing. Electricity is a blessing. Thank you, Jesus. So anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, okay? Bye-bye.